See what I can do to get back going again. Now this guy has got his own channel. He's got his own thing going on. Y'all go out there, check him out. I'm just going to follow him up. Now, I'm not going to think that I'm going to buy everything that he said buy in here, because I put a kit in here already. I just want to find out why is it that it won't go in reverse. So we've already done most of the stuff. We've taken off the bell housing, and now we've taken off the pan, and we've also we're getting ready to, we've stabilized the transmission so that we can get to work on taking out doing the next phase, which is the next phase is to remove the I forgot what that thing is called. But anyway, it's that thing that looked like a brain. That's what my sweetheart said. She said it looked like a brain, and this is what this guy's doing. He's and I suppose it is a brain. Excuse me. So he's getting ready to tell us what to do, and we're gonna listen to what he got to say.
It cannot roll off the work surface onto your body, especially your feet. If you're working on a 1993 to 1996
You see, I got some.
version, get it level 2.
I got some washers under there. It's pretty level, and I got a really hard box back here.
In this lesson, you'll need a 10 and 13 millimeter sockets, extension, ratchet, and a small screwdriver.
All right, we've done all this already.
Remove the 16 pan bolts.
So let's go to the. I think it's called. I forget what it's called. I forget what it's called.
Put it in the pan like this.
Now the one that I had was too little.
Our next step is to disconnect and move the wiring harness. Start by using a small screwdriver to disconnect the manifold pressure switch. Gently lift the tab like this while pulling the wires. Only pry up just enough to clear the bars because the plastic gets brittle with time and heat. If it breaks off, that's okay. We'll fix it later. Disconnect the 2 shift solenoids here. Unclip the 3 to 2 downshift solenoid. Do the same with the electronic pressure control or EPC solenoid. Earlier model transmissions have a flat spade type connector like this. Use a screwdriver and gently pry it away from the solenoid like you see here.
I don't think mine has that one.
On 1995 and up models, you must remove the PWM or pulse width modulation solenoid. Take a small screwdriver and pry out the retaining clip. If you can't see it, turn the solenoid back and forth until you can. Hold your fingers over it to keep the retainer from flying out. Carefully twist and pull the solenoid out. Put the retainer back on the solenoid. Put them in the box.
Put them in the box.
This is called the TCC or torque converter clutch solenoid. It doesn't disconnect from the wiring harness. Use a 10 millimeter socket and remove these 2 short bolts.
Now we're gonna do all these things that he said do. We're gonna do this, and I'll do it in front of you. That's what I'm going to do, just because it's fun.
Place
And
both of them in the small box.
Let's just hope that
Twist
this
and
all
pull
turn
up
out
the
okay.
solenoid. Move the wiring harness over the side of the transmission like this. Our last last step is to remove the detent spring and roller. Use a 13mm socket, remove the
Y'all
bolt.
remember all them steps? If you don't, just go back to his video, man. He got a good video. I mean, he knows. I believe he knows what he's doing.
And put them with the other small parts. That's all for now. See you in lesson 4.
All right, guys. Here we go.